Hey there, financial friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into how to add a beneficiary to wealthfront. If you're managing your investments on wealthfront, adding a beneficiary is a smart move for estate planning. It ensures your hard-earned assets go to the right people if something unexpected happens. This process is straightforward, but let's walk through it step by step so you can do it confidently in just a few minutes. First things first, make sure you're logged into your wealthfront account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're in, head to the main dashboard. Look for the Account or Profile section, usually found in the top right corner or under a menu icon. Click on that to access your settings. Next, navigate to the Beneficiaries tab. This might be listed under Account Settings or Estate Planning Options. Wealthfront makes it easy to find. If it's your first time, you might see a prompt to add one right away. Now, hit the Add Beneficiary button. You'll be asked to enter key details like the beneficiary's full name, their relationship to you, their date of birth for verification, and the percentage of your account they should inherit. Be precise here to avoid any future complications. After filling out the form, take a moment to double-check everything. Accuracy is crucial, so ensure names are spelled correctly and percentages add up to 100% if you have multiple beneficiaries. Once you're satisfied, click Save or Submit. Wealthfront might send you a confirmation email, so keep an eye on your inbox to verify the changes. And just like that, you've secured your legacy. Remember, life changes, so review your beneficiaries annually or after major events like marriages or births. If you run into any issues, Wealthfront's customer support is top-notch. Just check their help center. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. We're here to help. See you next time.